So this is my third Beaver Island sunset. I just got back from on shore for a good part of the day. There's some other boats anchored in the harbor here. That blue boat there could be that boat in the Bigger Boats Are Faster video from a few weeks ago. And then there's a big saber right ahead of me with the 3 spreaders and the radar and the dinghy hauled up there, called No Phone. And my brother Rick sold that boat to that guy. I don't know his name. I mean, he used to talk to me about it. He used to tell me about Rick sold like 3 boats to that guy on the Sabre there on No Phone. So and there's some kind of a there's some clouds coming in here, although the wind's coming from over there. The wind's basically out of the north. And I'm a little bit concerned because I've got 120 feet out. And that guy, I don't know what he has out, but it looks like he doesn't have that much. So depending on how the wind shifts, we might be getting a little bit too close. But I guess we'll just have to see. Yeah, there it is, No Phone. I want to say that's like a 42 or maybe a 45-foot Sabre. And that hunter's been here for a couple days now. So I might be more comfortable in the if I tied up over there in the marina, but I think I'll be okay. Yeah, it's kind of interesting how there can be not much wind all day and then like suddenly a big breeze kicks up in the evening. There's supposed to be a chance of thunderstorms overnight. It's going to rain tonight too, so I think I'll batten down the hatches. Yeah, it's blowing, man. I had to row the dinghy back against this wind. I mean, from over there, south of that harbor. It took me quite a while. Anyway. And cooking my dinner. So, I ate out last night. I went to the Shamrock Pub and I had cod basket with fries and half a dozen buffalo wings and a Coca-Cola. So I need to have something a little lighter fare tonight. So I got the white rice. That's the last of the white rice. It was exactly 100 milliliters. So I gotta go get more white rice. Although I got brown rice. And I heated up these Bombay potatoes, so, which are pretty tasty. So yeah, that's what's going, that's what's cooking.